say? 15? In the Atlantic. Winds up, sea state's up. We're trying to make a little bit of southing right now, which means we're close reaching lumpy sea. Winds about 20, gust to 25. Not a very comfortable motion. We cracked off just 30 or 40 degrees. It's as comfortable as can be. Then we would be going northeast. Color of that water. About 480 miles to the British Virgin Islands. We're about, I don't know, 360 miles south of Bermuda. Water's about 17,000 feet deep here. Underway. Cape Horn wind vane. On the windward side, here's the running backstay to counteract the staysail. Boom gallows has turned out to be a great piece of gear. Very nice. go in or out, it just folds down and you go through, pops back up. Kerosene nav lights have been great. Solar panel system, very good. Working jib is lashed down. We're driving under the staysail right now in a single reef main, making about 5.2 knots upwind, and I call them 6-foot swells. Dinghy mast is stowed along the aft lower. No bang out, just to help keep the boom down. Everything looks great. We got tired of the staysail in the reefed main. The wind had lightened up, the swell was still here, so we weren't punching through. So we put the working jib back up over the top of the staysail. Plenty of drive now. If you enjoyed this episode of Far Reach Voyages, let us know in the comments. Also, consider liking and subscribing, as it tells us you would like to see more videos and it helps the channel grow. See you next episode.